Hello, today I want to show you how to make chicken pulao, and these are the ingredients I am using for the chicken pulao. This is one onion and some bay leaves and cinnamon sticks and anise, few anise, and this is coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, and this is bay leaves, few bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves, black pepper, and cardamom pods. You need to open little bit the cardamom pods. So this is for the yakhni or chicken broth, and this go in the inside. And 2 to 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. This is crushed ginger garlic, and half a cup of yogurt, 4 teaspoon salt, some yellow color, and just few drops of Kewra. And this is 4 cups of rice. I already soaked this, so you need to soak at least half an hour before. These are basmati rice. This is 4 pounds chicken, skinless. So this chicken I already put in a pot with the water, and now I'm going to put the salt in there, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger in there too, inside. You can put these in a cheesecloth, but I like to put open so it gets more flavor in the broth or yakhni. And then I'll strain when it's done cooking. I'll strain this, and I'm adding more water, and I'll cook this like half an hour or a little more if it cooks. After half an hour, this chicken is cooked now, and now I'm going to strain the chicken with the broth, and I'll strain 2 times so the little pieces go away. And I put some ginger garlic inside the broth too, and this is this needs to strain 2 times so it will be very clear broth. I already fried 1 onion with 1 cup of oil, and now I'm adding the spices. And this ginger garlic. And chicken. Make this chicken light brown. Now I'm going to add the yogurt. And the clear chicken broth. And wait until it boils, then I'll add the rice. Now I'm going to add the rice in there. And let this cook until it absorbs the water. When just little water left in the pot, So turn off the stove, because this is a flat hot surface stove, so it stay warm for a long time. So I leave this on the stove 5 minutes. If you have gas stove, you can simmer this in very low heat like 10 minutes, but this is very hot stove, and I already put the food color and just very little Kewra, and I'll leave this on the stove like 5 minutes, and then I'll move on the cold stove. So, and after 15 minutes those eyes will be done. So this chicken pulao is ready, and it's very tasty and delicious. So please try my recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.